Hello, my name is Michael Morales. I'm a park ranger with Fayetteville-Cumberland Parks and Recreation, and today I'm here at Clark Park at our Nature Center. And I'm going over some of the exhibits that we have here that are open to the public. One of them is our spider exhibit, Spiders, Myth and Marvel. And this exhibit talks about spiders in general, but specifically talks about some of the misconceptions people have about spiders and some of the fears, and tries to balance those with actual facts about them. Spiders are an invertebrate. They have no bones in their body. They're a type of arthropod, meaning they have an exoskeleton, an outside skeleton. They have jointed legs, bendable legs that help them crawl around. And you tell different arthropods apart by the number of legs they have. Here I have a preserved tarantula. That is a real tarantula. We do not have tarantulas in North Carolina, but I'm just using it as an example. Arthropods have jointed legs, and like I said, you count the legs to tell what kind. Specifically, spiders are in a group called arachnids. The arachnids have 8 walking legs, so you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those 2 at the front are not walking legs. That's appendages they use for eating. So they have 8 legs, no wings. They have a head and a body that's stuck together, and an abdomen. This is called the cephalothorax. And most spiders have 8 eyes in different arrangements. That's how you tell what group of spiders there are. There's over 100 different families or groups of spiders that live around the world. We have quite a few of them here in the southeast. But a lot of people are scared of spiders because all spiders also have fangs, 2 sharp teeth that contain venom. Nearly all spiders that have been discovered have a venomous bite. Most of their venom is not strong enough to affect people, or they are too small to actually bite and get through our skin. There are several spiders, however, that are dangerous in our area that we need to be aware of. It's always good to treat them all with respect and just leave them alone, just watch them. You don't have to kill them though. Spiders serve a very important role in our ecosystem. They help to eat and control the huge number of insects that we have here. Insects have hundreds of young, and if they all grew up to maturity, you couldn't go outside without insects being absolutely everywhere. So spiders build webs or hunt on the ground or hunt in different areas, and they catch all these extra bugs and help control their numbers. So spiders are very beneficial animals to have around. But I understand if you don't particularly want them in your house or anything like that. But this talks about some of the misconceptions. One of the misconceptions I very commonly hear, and I don't know where people got it from, is that the daddy longlegs is the most venomous spider in the world, but their mouth is too small to bite you. That is not true at all. A daddy longlegs is another type of arthropod. They are another type of arachnid. They have 8 walking legs. They are cousins of the spiders, but they are not true spiders. They do not possess fangs to bite you with, and they have no venom. They are venomless. They eat small insects and small bugs on the forest floor, but they pose 0 harm to humans. And I've always known that if you grab them by their legs, they'll break a leg off and keep walking. So that is one of the myths that we confront here. One of our venomous spiders, though, we have 2 species in the Fayetteville area, maybe a 3rd one moving into the area from Florida, are black widows. Black widows, we have a northern black widow and a southern black widow. Typically in season, we'll have a live black widow on display that you can see in a little tank here. But the northern black widow and southern black widow are black spiders. The female is about the size of a regular sized marble, and she is shiny black with a red spot on her stomach, and they hang upside down in their webs. In a northern black widow, the spot looks like 2 triangles that are separated. In a southern black widow, the 2 triangles are connected into an hourglass shape, and that's the classic one that people usually know them by. Sometimes they have red spots going down the top of their abdomen as well. So if you see a black spider, red spot, leave it alone. The black widow is common here in the south, and she's one of the only spiders here that has a powerful enough venom that if she bites you, it will hurt extremely bad, and it will probably put you in the hospital. Some sensitive people can die from the bite of a black widow. They like to live in holes in trees Empty tires, empty flower pots, any dark, out of the way place, sometimes just out in the woods at the base of trees or in the leaves. So just be on a lookout for them if you're outside around areas like that, and if there's junk in the area where they would like to make a web. Another one, the brown recluse. Their range just barely gets into our mountains, but they like to hide in boxes, and they end up shipped around the country, and people occasionally get bitten by them. It's a small brown spider about as big as a dime. It's not hairy, it's a hairless spider for the most part, and they have a violin-shaped dark mark on their back. These spiders, if they bite you, their venom is so potent it kills your skin and flesh, and it just kills it and turns it black, and it will leave a hole about the size of a $50, and that will just ooze away, and you'll have a scar and have to take antibiotics to heal from it. There may be another type of spider in this area that causes a similar bite. A lot of people complain that they've been bitten by brown recluses, but we don't find brown recluses in the Fayetteville area, so there may be another spider here that causes a similar reaction when you're bitten by it that we don't know about. But anyway, you can come here to Clark Park and learn all about spider myths and legends and the truth around them. Once again, my name is Michael Morales, and we look forward to seeing you here at Clark Park.